family, beautiful people. So today I just jump in to ask you a question because today I'm sending my kids to camp with some money, or should I say I need to send them to camp with some money, but I'm not so sure if I should give them money or should they use their own money. What do you guys think? Because I was talking to someone who told me a few days ago that their parents used to let them use their own money to buy food, to buy their own uniform. I think as a parent, that's our job to do that. So let me know in the comment below what you guys think, because I think that I should give my kids money when it comes to lunch, or maybe they should buy their own clothes. Maybe that will make them value. That might just be a good idea. What do you think, Tom?
No.
I think that's a good idea.
No.
Let us know in the comment below what you guys think, because I'm debating right now, should I give them money for camp today for lunch, or should they use their own money? Because I work for that money. And first of all, in this house, I don't do allowance. These kids have to earn their money. So when they do earn their money, maybe they should use it. Maybe that will help them to understand the value of money. What do you guys think? Because I'm sitting over here trying to figure out, first of all, how much money I gotta give them each. Second, maybe they should use their own money.
But I don't think that we should use our own money when we get like when we earn our money, because you're teaching us to save.
Yes. So you have to learn to save and also learn to know how to use what you got. You don't want to take all your money and just save. You need to learn how much can I save, how much can I use. It's not just I got money, I'm gonna save. No, you're gonna have to use it, but how can you use it? Right? You have to know I have $10, I have to learn to save, but I also have to learn to use it. So if I have $10, can I use only 3 and then save 3, or I need to use 10% for this, 10% for that? So it's not just money is to save. You have to use it, but you have to know how to use it. So I don't know. This is the talk of today, because fortunately today is one of those days when they had to buy lunch, because they're going to be outside all day, and I'm debating, like, am I sending them more money, or should they use their own money? Let me know in the comment below what you guys think. Let me know what do you guys think, because I don't know. But anyways, I'm getting ready. I just realized I bought this new Body Love from Dove. I really love it. First of all, I love the packaging. Like, this is just so cute. And I like to keep this in my bag. And it smells so good. To be honest, I bought it because of the packaging, because how it looks. First of all, it's pink, my favorite color. It's so pretty, and I just love it. And it's really good if you can put it, like in the summer, you carry a little bag, you can put this in your bag, just to keep your hands nice and moisturized. So yeah. But today is this video of how I'm supposed to be doing with money with my kids. Should they buy their own food, clothes? I think they should. Well, thank you guys for watching this video.
Because we don't have a lot of money.
Well, you need to learn to manage whatever you have, right? Yes, you don't have a lot of money, but you have to learn to manage what you have. I only got $10. You're not gonna buy food that costs $9. You have to learn to manage. I have $10. I still need to save some. I still need to eat. What can I do? Yes, you don't have a lot of money, but you have to learn to manage whatever you have, right? Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really came here for you guys to tell me what do you guys think, because I am paying for their food. I think parents should be feeding the kids and buying them clothes, but at the same token, I think that sometimes those things help the kids to value money. So it's kind of like a hard decision to make. Well, let me know in the comment below what you guys think, and let's continue this conversation in a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, yes, you have something to say?
And comment down below for like
Oh yeah, if you like, if you haven't tried it, if you haven't, go buy it. I think it's pretty cute, especially if you can put it in your backpack, in a small bag. That's pretty cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you press the like button, share this video with someone that you know, and why not subscribe to our channel for more similar content. Now remember, it's a journey.